Good morning students. Now we are going to learn multiplying and division of a rational number. Multiplying fractions. Multiplying fraction is easy. Multiple the numerator, multiple the denominator. Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Don't forget to write the mixed number as an improper fraction before multiplying. Write the product in simplest form. So four method, multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. Don't forget to write a mixed number as an improper fraction before multiplying. Write the product in simplest form. Example of multiplying 1 by 3 into 2 by 5. So first step is that multiply the numerator. 1 2 is 2. Second step is multiply the denominator. 3 5s are 15. So we get the answer 2 by 15. So 3 into 11 by 12. 3 into 11 by 12. 3 by 1. So denominator considered by 1. 3 by 1 into 11 by 12. So multiply the numerator. 3 11 is 11. 1 12 is 3 11 is 33. Divided by 1 12 is 12. Next one 5 by 12 into 2. So denominator considered by 1. 5 by 12 into 2 by 1. 5 2s are 10. 12 1 is 12. Next one 12 by 13 into 1 by 4. 12 by 13 into 1 by 4. So 12 1 is 12. 13 4s are 52. So reducing the simplest form, already you know that. So practicing the multiplying, do the sums. Write your notebook. 4 by 13 into 1 by 12. Already you know that 4 1 is 4. 13 2s are 26. And reducing the simplest form. So next one 1 3 by 7 into 2 by 6. So mixed fraction, convert it to improper fraction. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 3 10 by 7 into 2 by 6. So already you know that. So multiply the numerator divided by the multiply the denominator. Dividing fractions. Dividing fractions requires one more. Keep the first fraction the same. Change the multiple to divide and flip the second fractions. Already you know that dividing fractions. So keep it, change it and flip it. Keep it, change it and flip it. Keep it means don't change the first fractions. Change it means divide into multiplication. Flip it means to change the reciprocal. To change the reciprocal. For example, A is a reciprocal of 1 by A. So 2 is a reciprocal of 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a reciprocal of 2 by 1. Example of dividing 2 by 5 divided by 6 by 7. So recall the rules. 2 by 5 divided by 6 by 7. Keep it, change it and flip it. So keep it means don't change the first fraction. 2 by 5 divided. So change it means division into multiplication. So multiply 6 by 7. Flip it means to form a reciprocal. 6 by 7 is a reciprocal of 7 by 6. So multiply the numerator divided by the multiply the denominator. 2 7s are 14. 5 6 are 30. So we get answer 14 by 30. Reducing the simplest form. So numerator and denominator divided by 2 by 2. 7 2s are 14. 15 2s are 30. So we get the answer 7 by 15. Practice dividing 1 by 7 divided by 9 by 12. So keep it, change it and flip it. Do the sums. Solutions for the adding. 2 plus 2 by 12 plus 2 by 12. So denominator have a different, denominator have a same. Take a common denominator 12. So we add the numerator 2 plus 2 4 by 12. Next one denominator have a different. So we take a LCM. 9 7s are 63. 44 divided by 63. Next one 5 by 12 plus 1 by 2. 5 by 12 plus 1 by 2. So denominator have a different. Take a LCM. LCM of 12 comma 2 is 12. So next one, we get the answer 11 by 12. 5 by 7 plus 1 by 3. So denominator have a difference. Different. We take a LCM. 7 3s are 21. So we add 21 by 21. We get an answer 1. Practice it of subtraction. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So denominator have a different. Take a common, take a LCM 2 comma 4. So LCM of 2 comma 4 is 4. 2 comma 4 is 4. So we get an answer 5 by 4. Next one, 11 by 8 minus 6 by 5. So denominator have a different. We take a LCM 8 comma 5 is 40. So we get the answer 7 by 40. Do the given sums. Practice multiplying. 3 by 1 into 11 by 12. 3 11 is 33. 1 12 is 12. Next one, 5 by 12 into 2 by 1. So denominator considered by 1. 5 2s are 10. 12 1 is 12. 12 1 is 12. Next one, 12 by 13 into 1 by 4. 12 1 is 12. 13 4s are 52. Reducing the simplest one, 3 by 13. Next one, 1 3 by 7 into 2 by 6. So mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 10 by 7 into 2 by 6. So multiply the numerator divided by multiply the denominator. We get an answer 10 by 21. 1 2 by 6 into 2 3 by 7. So mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. We get a value 2 1 by 7. 1 by 7 divided by 9 by 12 equal to. So keep it, change it and flip it. Keep it means don't change the first fraction. Change it means division into multiplication. Flip it means to form a reciprocal. So 1 by 7 into 12 by 9. We get a value 4 by 21. 3 by 6 into 6 by 2. We get a value 3 by 2. 1 5 by 6 divided by 2 5 by 7. First we convert improper mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 11 by 6 into 19 by 7. So reciprocal 7 by 19. So we get a value 774 divided by 114. 1 by 2 divided by 4. So denominator considered by 1. 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. We get a value 1 by 8. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. So cancellation law, 2 by 2 equal to value is 1. 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. 1 by 2 into 3 by 1. We get a value 3 by 2. Find the product 6 2 by 3 into minus 5 1 by 16. Okay, mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 20. 20 by 3. Next one, 16 5s are 80. 80 plus 1 81 minus 81 by 16. So next one, already know that the multiplication rule, plus into plus plus, minus into plus minus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So minus plus into minus, minus into plus minus. So cancellation law, 5 by 1 into minus 20 by 4. Minus 20 by 4. Next one, 20 divided by 16. So numerator and denominator divided by 4 by 4. We get a value 5 by 4. Next one, minus 81 divided by 3. So numerator denominator divided by 3 by 3. We get a value minus 27. Minus 5 by 1 into 27 by 4. So multiply the numerator divided by multiply the denominator. 5 27s are minus 135 by 4. So the improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. We get a value minus 33 3 by 4. Next one, minus 3 1 by 4 into minus 2 3 by 4. Mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13 minus 13 by 4 into 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 minus 11 by 4. Next one. So already you know that plus into plus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into plus minus. Minus into minus plus. So minus into minus we get a value. We get a value of a symbol minus. Sorry, plus. 13 by 4 into 11 by 4. 13 11s are 143. 4 4s are 16. We get a value mixed fraction. Improper fraction converted into mixed fraction. We get a value 8 15 by 16. If the product of two rational number is minus 9 by 16 and one of them is minus 4 by 5, 4 by 15, find the other number. If the product of two rational number is minus 9 by 16, one of them is minus 4 by 15, find the other. So let the required rational number be x. So let the required rational number be x. So product of two rational number, one rational number is x, another rational number is minus 4 by 15. So product of two rational number, we get a value minus 9 by 16. X into minus 4 by 15 equal to minus 9 by 16. So next one, minus 4 by 15, left hand side goes to right hand side. Minus 4 by 15 goes to right hand side. So form a reciprocal 4 by 15. 4 by 15 reciprocal of 15 by minus 4. So change the division. Minus 9 by 16 divided by 15 by minus 4. So keep it, change it and flip it. Keep it means don't change the first fraction. Change it means division into multiplication. Another one is a flip it. Form a reciprocal minus 9 by 16 into 15 by minus 4. Next one, minus 9 15s are 135. Minus into plus minus. Next denominator 16 4s are 64. Minus 16 4. So numerator and denominator minus divided by minus, we get a symbol plus. 135 divided by 64, we get a value 2 7 by 64. Required rational number is 2 7 by 64. Arrange the following rational number in ascending order. Minus 1 by 3, minus 4 by 3, minus 2 by 9. So denominator have a different. First one, denominator have a different. Take a LCM. LCM of 3, 3, 9. We get a LCM of 9. So how will you convert 9? So numerator denominator multiply by 3 by 3. Minus 1 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Next one, minus 4 3s are 12 by 3 3s are 9. Minus 12 by 9. Minus 2 by 9. So minus 3 by 9, minus 12 by 9, minus 2 by 9. So arrange the ascending order. Minus 12 by 9 is less than minus 3 by 9, less than minus 2 by 9. Next one, we get a value minus 4 by 3 is less than minus 1 by 3 is less than minus 2 by 9. Another one, simplify. 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 8 divided by 1 by 3 into 5 by 6. So absolute value of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. 3 by 7 into minus 5 by 8 into 1 by 3 into 5 by 6 plus absolute value of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. So first one, multiplication. Multiplication means multiply the numerator divided by the multiply the denominator. So 3 5s are 15, 7 8s are 56. Minus into plus minus. Minus 15 by 56. First one completed. Second one, 1 by 3 into 5 by 6. 1 by 3 into 5 by 6. So multiply the numerator divided by the multiply the denominator. 1 5 is 5, 3 6 are 18. Next one, absolute value of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 5. So denominator have a different subtraction. So subtraction will be converted. So subtraction means so denominator have a different. We get a LCM of 10. LCM of 2, 5 is 10. So next one, 10. Numerator and denominator multiply by 5 by 5 minus 1 into 5 minus 5 by 2 5s are 10. Next one, numerator denominator multiply by 2 by 2. So 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. So next one, minus 5 minus 2. So denominator have a same. Take a common denominator 10. Minus 5 minus 2 divided by 12. So same symbol, just we add the numerator. Same symbol, just we add the numerator. Minus 5 minus 7. So minus 7 by 10. Absolute value. So I already know that the symbol absolute value of minus 7 by 10. Absolute value is always a positive integer. Already you know that absolute value is always a positive integer. Minus 7 by 10 is absolute value of 7 by 10. So minus 15 by 56 into 18 by 5 plus 7 by 10. So division into multiplication. So 5 by 18 is a reciprocal of 18 by 5 minus 15 by 56 into 18 by 5 plus 7 by 10. So cancellation la 5 3s are 15, 9 2s are 18, 28 2s are 56. So we get the value 9 3s are 27, minus into plus minus 27 minus 27 by 28 plus 7 by 10. So denominator have a different. We take a LCM. So LCM is 140. So 140 minus 27 5s are minus 135. 7 14s are 98 by 140. So minus and plus a different symbol, just we subtract and put the greatest number symbol. So answer is minus 37 by 140. Thank you students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Write down all the sums, prepare well for the worksheet. Thank you.